So there's a lot of sick grip art going around the internet, but I see a lot of people just putting their first thing they think of on their board. Biggest thing you need to do in order to make it look nice is to steal your friend's board, or if you have an extra, and practice it first. These are perfect examples. The first one was Bullet Bill. This one is LSP and a Metapod. I haven't drawn the Metapod yet on my deck, but that's the difference between first and second tries. So make sure you practice before you do it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. On the way out I'm gonna just put some concept art, and I'll link my friend in the description who's way better than me at grip art. And remember, never ollie north on an empty stomach.